Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Today we're going to draw and color a super cute and friendly backpack character. It's going to have a big smile, bright colors, and even hold a pencil, just like it's ready for school. So grab your marker and let's get started. First, I start by drawing the front look of the bag. It's going to have a cute, round shape with a fun and friendly appearance.
Wow!
Next, I draw one side of the bag and add a funny little hand popping out.
Yay!
Now, I move on to the handle and the back part of the bag. Then, I draw the zipper compartments. I add curved lines across the front and side to show where the zippers are.
Yahoo!
After that, I draw the shoulder strap. This part helps complete the full look of the bag. Now it's time to draw the left hand holding a pencil. Finally, I add the fun and smiley face. I draw two big eyes, with expressive eyebrows above them and a wide, happy mouth. I fill in the inside of the mouth to make it stand out more. This gives the backpack a joyful and friendly personality. Wow! Our drawing is finished. Now time to add color.
Wow!
First, I pick blue for the front look of this bag.
Oh yeah!
Second, I pick pink color for those hands.
Wow!
His tongue and the pencil, I put red color. For the hands, I used green color. First part of the stripe, I used light maroon, and another part one used brown. Middle part, I use red and light maroon color to make it pop up. Now I use also light maroon for the shoulder strap.
Yippee!
I use light green for the handle. Now I use silver color for the zipper compartments and the pencil's lead. Lastly, I finish the color touch of this drawing. Wow! Our color is complete!
Yahoo!
Now, I go over the outline to make the drawing crisp and highlighted. Yay! Our adorable backpack drawing is all done. Doesn't it look super colorful and happy? If you had fun drawing with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Hands Art for more fun and easy drawing videos.
Yahoo!
See you next time. Bye!